From Asiatic na prawns there, pupunta ka yan dyan. Get boat here. Dun. Hi! The background of oh, wow. Pangatlo siya, pang-apat na booth. So here daw guys yung White Orchid. Twilight guys, 5 PM to 6:45 PM. Where's mommy? Ayun, nakikichiga na sila guys there. Tapos grabe, grabe, ang dami pala dito. Guys, it's currently 4:49 PM. So, hanggang 4:50 lang yung check-in nila. We got our tickets. We have these two. Tapos, mas maganda talaga na mag-book ka sa Klook. You know why? Kasi fully booked na. Ayan ang mga kasama natin. Oh my gosh, nakikita ko lang to ah. Dito kami ngayon sa pier number 2. May nag-a-approach naman. Ito yung pila for White Orchid Cruise. At ito naman sila. Kaya dapat lagi record sila. O, dito daw kami sa taas. Okay ka lang? Nahingal ka? It's so hot. Hot na hindi mo maintindihan. Let's eat again guys. Kakain lang. Kain tayo ng kain dito guys. All around.
If you're from Jason,
360 degrees tayo, guys.
เราจะพยานะคะนั่นก็คือไอคอนสยามนะคะ Anybody just have a birthday today? Have anyone? Just show me your hands. Oh, over there. Okay, so everyone just celebrate the birthday together with this song. So hope you really enjoy your time.
Yeah. Yan, 3 piece. 100. Gano'n bang kunin? Caricature. Isang tahan po.
Mở lộc sách vào nhưng mà không lên à?
Select 3 toppings. Ano ba? Select 3 toppings. Ikaw, ako talaga. Ikaw, pili ka. Oh. Thank you. Wow. Dalhin mo na. Ay, Ninang. Dalhin mo na doon. Thank you.
Thank you.
Coconut juice. 100 baht to. We're gonna try.
Ay, naitikmin kaya ayaw ko. Nakamay nga ay kalahati lang ako.
Yummy. Wala daw added sugar to. We're trying the coconut ice cream. 80 baht. Mango sticky rice na may coconut ice cream.
Ayun nga yung mga ulam nila may anis na yung pata o. Paano ka naman nila sobrang lambot?
Naging progressive talaga.
Ayan, oh, best buy!
Saan napupunta pa tayo? Sabi ni Pita, pupunta pa. Uy, the market. So guys, ito pala ay nag-iiba pag gabi. Nagiging Baguio Night Market siya. Parang Baguio Night Market. Oh, wow. Bawal na siguro daanan to ng whatever. Nay, nabuhayan ka. Just. 1, 2, 3. 3 sila. 3 stalls na magkakahilera na hanggang dun pa. Nakiki-chuchera lang naman kami here, you know. So we're finally home. So tired. We went to 7-Eleven. Isa pa lang elevator. 1 to 18 sa kabilang part. Tapos kailangan mag-other lift, which is this one. 77 for... Wow! Wala pa naman. Oh, wow. Ano nga to? Observation deck? Oh, wow. City lights talaga, bes. Grabe, oh. Wow, seryoso?
Hindi bumili yan.
Ah, wow.
Spider-Man.
Yan yung mga kailangan na ano.
Guys, siyam na lang.
Wow. Siyam na lang. Siyam na lang. Meron pa doon?
Famous.
Sinong famous?
Nakikita mo.
Na ano? Fuck naman. Unbelievable. Di ko kinaya. Okay, where? Grabe, ang ganda. Grabe. Bayoke Gallery. My God. Grabe. It's not enough. There. Grabe guys, sobrang lagkit na. Pero go lang ng go. Hanggang 10:30 PM lang tong 77th floor.